Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You need admin privileges and a saved workspace. Once done, press Windows key plus X to open the Power User menu. Choose Device Manager from that list to jump straight in. If Device Manager is missing, type Device Manager in search and select Run as Administrator to ensure full controls. Make sure to create a system restore point if you plan driver changes, and note the exact device name you will inspect so you don't accidentally modify the wrong hardware. Once Device Manager is open, expand the relevant category and locate the device by name or the yellow warning icon. This identifies problem hardware. Right-click to choose Update Driver for new drivers, Uninstall Device to remove corrupted drivers, or Properties to view events and driver details. Make sure to use View, then show hidden devices to surface ghosted entries. And when updating drivers, pick Browse My Computer for drivers. If you have a downloaded package, after updating, uninstalling, or disabling a device, restart Windows to let changes take effect. This often resolves lingering issues. If the new driver introduces instability, open Properties, Driver tab, and choose Roll Back Driver to revert to the prior version. If a device cannot be removed normally, boot into Safe Mode and use Device Manager there to uninstall or clean up drivers. If problems persist, run Windows Troubleshooter for hardware and devices as a last quick diagnostic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.